What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you are new. I am very excited for today's video because it is my first time trying the hair color wax. Obviously I'm like a year, 2 years, about 3 maybe late because I've been so hesitant to try this wax, and sometimes I can get very impatient with waiting for a product to arrive to my house if I order online. But when I went to the hair store the other day, guess what I found? And I got it in silver. So today we're gonna experiment and get a little jiggy, okay? This is an old wash and go that I have in my hair, and I don't know how this is gonna turn out, so I didn't want to do it on freshly washed hair just in case, because that will frustrate me so much. But what I'm gonna do is just basically refresh this or like start it over, and hopefully it looks good. So I'm gonna just do a very unconventional thing, which is just kind of like part my hair wherever I feel. I think what I'm gonna do is kind of restyle my hair a little bit, wet it, add some of my cream and some gel, and then add this wax, and hopefully it doesn't stain my hands because ain't nobody got time for that, okay? So I'll start with this section. Then I'm gonna go in with my Curls Creme Brulee whipped curl cream. Gonna add that in. I'm basically just doing this wash and go all over again. Alright, and now I'm going to add some of my Eco Styler gel, and I'm just gonna use a little bit because I know because it's wax it might be a little heavy, and I don't want it to be too heavy on my hair. Alright, so now that we have our section ready and curled, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this green color. So excited. This color hair wax thing is by the brand Ashley Lee. It's the crazy color. They didn't have much options for me to choose from. That's why I went with this green and the blue. I really wanted to try purple. Oh, it smells really good. It's very perfumey. I wasn't expecting that. I think I might have grabbed too much color, but I'm just gonna warm that up in my hands. Moment of truth. I'm wondering if I should put it all the way to the top. I think I actually like this. I think I might like it too much. Oh my god! Part of me really wants to add some blue. Mommy! Baga! Look how cute! Should I add blue on top of this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wait, I'm recording if you don't want to be seen in the camera.
Yes, to see how it looks. What the hell? Where you get that from?
The hair store. This is so cute! Ah! It's gonna get on your hands. I'm missing some in the root. I'm gonna add some blue in here because I'm just feeling good. I think I'm gonna have to go between. I'm gonna have to just wipe my hands every time. Yo. This looks good. Oh my gosh. I hope it dries pretty. Oh wow. Moving on to the next side. I am in love with this. Like when this thing dries, it better look popping like I'm expecting it to, because this looks so good. There was some blue. I really like this. Like, I'm about to buy all the colors. So what I'm gonna do is just continue applying this everywhere. But before I continue, first impressions from this product, I like the smell, number one. Two, it is a wax, but it doesn't feel like a wax. Like on my hands, yeah, but when I put it in my hair, it's not like it's completely wearing my hair down to the point where it's not having any definition. I haven't seen definition like this by using a wax, y'all. Like, come through, okay? kind of excited to see how it's gonna look on my blonde streak. Ooh, it's definitely brighter. Ooh. All right. So this is our halfway finished product. I really like this. What I'm gonna do is diffuse my hair and fluff it out a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys my results. All right, so I just got through diffusing a little bit. I like it. I don't love it yet because I don't have as much volume as I would want to. My hair does feel very stiff. It's hard and crunchy. I don't know if it's because of the gel or because of the wax, but either way, I really like the definition. And now I'm gonna take some of my Trey Luxe Curl Styling Serum just to kind of break that cast a little bit, and then I'm gonna pick my hair out and try to get some volume in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love this, you guys. I don't know about you guys, but I love how this looks. I'm not sure if to keep it like down or if to do a little side look. What I do notice though is that the color flakes. My shirt is filled with just like the little flaky pieces from the wax. That's not horrible though, because obviously it's a fake color and it's trying to stay on your strands. But yeah, I love this. I hope you love it too. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my excitement, because I was so excited to try this, and now I'm so happy with my results. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!